Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Reddit not working, you've come to the right place. I give you a few steps how to fix your Reddit. As you can see, my Reddit is already working and it's completely fine. So the easiest way to do it is just simply go to your Play Store, find Reddit here, and click on uninstall, delete Reddit, and reinstall it again. If you don't want to do it, but you still have a problem with Reddit and you want to fix them, click on settings, find here, you need to find apps, and here go to Reddit. So you need to find Reddit. I have it in recently opened apps. So here go to storage and cache and simply clear your storage and clear your cache. Once you've done that, it will be completely fine and Reddit will be working. So I fixed my problem with Reddit like that. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.